Are you looking for the best tankless water heaters? In this video we will look at some of the best tankless water heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Stiebel Eltron Whole House Electric Tankless Water Heater. You'll likely need an electrician to install it, or to consult with one before buying, since it needs a 300 amp electric service, which is not compatible with all houses. As one of the most energy-saving tankless water heaters on our list, the Stiebel Eltron Tempra 36 Plus won't ever use more electricity than you need it to, and since it has a minimum heating setting of 68 degrees Fahrenheit, it won't allow the water to surprisingly scald you when you're quickly washing your hands. The unit is only 14.5 inches tall, and very quiet, with a flow rate of up to 7.5 GPM and 36,000 watts. It has a clever technology that slightly reduces the water flow when hot water is in high usage so that you won't be shocked by the cold water sandwich while it's trying to keep up with the hot water demand. The temperature can be set with the intuitive buttons and control knob, and there's also a temperature memory setting. Its automatic modulation helps save you even more energy, and the digital display will always let you know the temperature. An advanced flow control maintains a consistent temperature output, and there's no venting required to install. This is another indoor unit that has a simple, minimal design, and though it's compact enough to be hidden away, it won't be unsightly if visible. You'll want to call in an electrician to install this unit as it requires 300 amps, which may require an upgrade to your electrical service panel. It comes with a 7-year warranty in the event of any leaks and a 3-year warranty on parts. Product details: type, electric, indoor dimensions, 14.5 by 4.63 by 16.63 inches, flow rate, up to 7.5 GPM, total BTU, not listed, watts, 36,000. At number 2. Rinnai RXP160 in Tankless Water Heater. Condensing gas heaters, like this Rinnai option, are more energy efficient and have a higher flow rate than electric models, making them a great choice for family use and large households with several bathrooms. It runs up to 6 fixtures at once, with a flow rate of up to 9 GPM. The heater is Energy Star qualified, meaning it results in fewer emissions in addition to saving more energy. One of its best features is smart technology that tracks water usage and employs the data to provide unlimited hot water on demand at peak efficiency. This feature also helps to save energy and reduce your utility bill during times when you don't need to use as much hot water. The model works with Wi-Fi, so you can control it remotely with your phone or voice commands, but to access these features, you need to purchase a separate module. Product details: type, natural gas, indoor and outdoor dimensions, 9 by 9 inches, flow rate, up to 9 GPM, total BTU, 160,000 watts, not listed. At number 3. Ranein Tankless Water Heater. If you don't have easy access to natural gas, we recommend using a propane model that's specially designed for indoor use. The Ranein provides hot water on demand for 2 or 3 fixtures, with a steady 3.6 GPM flow rate, a sleek exterior, and a compact design. Unlike many propane picks, the Ranein heater is not portable, meaning you can't take it with you on camping trips or van life adventures, but it is a strong choice for a smaller home. It has 4 modes that keep a consistent temperature suited to a variety of purposes, such as dishwashing. As a non-condensing heater, installation is slightly more complex and you'll likely need professional help. But a vent pipe is included in the set, meaning you won't need to run out and buy one. Product details: type, propane, indoor dimensions, 19.09 by 7.67 inches, flow rate, 3.6 GPM, total BTU, 80,000 watts, not listed. At number 4. Propane Gas Tankless Water Heater. Quality certification: Mizuto Tankless Gas Water Heater has passed CSA certification and has protection functions such as overheating protection and accidental flameout protection. Endless hot water, powered by propane and 120 volts, up to 3.6 GPM hot water flow, precise temperature control, no water temperature sandwich. Premium and durable, adopt oxygen-free copper water tank, reduce heat loss, high efficiency, and durability. Compact design, dimensions are H20.5 foot x W13.0 x D7.0. Save over 50% of available space compared to tank water heater. Energy conservation. The UEF is higher than 0.81 and consumes energy only during heating. At number 5. CAMPLUX Tankless Electric Water Heater. On-demand endless hot water 18 kW electric tankless water heater. Unlike a traditional water heater, you don't have to wait more than 3 seconds to get plenty of hot water for your shower. Take a shower whenever you like at home, and the most crucial thing is to save a lot of time. Fast heating and low consumption. High efficiency heating rod require 2x double pole 40 amp breakers to achieve 240 V. Tankless hot water heaters can realize a multi-point water supply in the whole house. Efficiency up to 99.8% and save 60% water heating costs for your home. Safety protection. The home tankless hot water heater has a good temperature system to provide stable water temperature output with overheating protection, anti-dry heating protection, and water electricity separation. Protect the safety of you and your family by following the ETL certified standards. Easy installation and save space. The whole house instant water heater without a tank can be installed on the wall in a central home location. Storage. More space in your home. 360 degrees rotation without reset of the knob to regulate the temperature for convenient operation. Important tips. Ensure the minimum water flow for activation just needs 0.66 GPM. Output water temperature is between 80 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Wire gauge 2x8 AWG. Unit size 17.12 inches by 13.12 inches by 3.12 inches. Water connection 3/4 inch NPT. Tech support. CAMPLUX offers 2-year parts, 3-year leak-free warranty, and 3-year tech support.